Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the subscription page for Dragon Anywhere. And this is the mobile application that you can install on your iOS device in order to dictate to your iPhone. There is a monthly charge associated with the application of $15 or $150 per year, and there is a 7-day free trial. If you want to install the application, it's best to install the trial as long as you can remember that you will need to unsubscribe from the trial if you don't intend to keep it. You are going to want to then search for the Dragon Anywhere application, and you'll see the application inside of your app store. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the app, then you'll want to take your existing subscription and you'll want to sign into the application. Once you've done that, you can then open the app in order to begin using it. Now you're looking at a sample document, and the difference between the Dragon application and the Notes application is that we can edit with our voice. So, for example, we can turn on the microphone by clicking the red microphone icon, and then we can select certain text and edit it. Select mobile. Bold that. Select voice. Bold that. Select time. Bold that. Select determine weather. Cap that. Select voice recognition. Underline that. So as you can see, one of the separations between Dragon and the Notes application is that we can edit our document more efficiently by being able to do it with our voice. Now, if the cost of the application is worth the time that you're going to be spending with your content creation on your mobile device, then you'll want to consider using the subscription. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.